Students, this video is on fibers and their types. In previous video, we have learned about that the fabric or the cloth we wear is obtained from the fiber. So, what is the fibers? All clothes, that is fabric, are made up of long, strong, thread-like material called yarn. The thin strands of the threads that you see are made up of still thinner strands. These are called fibers. যদি বাংলায় বলি, আমরা যে কাপড় বা যে মেটেরিয়ালটা পরে আছি সেটাকে আমরা বলছি ফ্যাব্রিক। এই ফ্যাব্রিকে যদি একটা কোণা থেকে আমরা টানি তাহলে যে সুতোর মতো জিনিসটা বেরিয়ে আসবে সেটা হচ্ছে ইয়ার্ন। অ্যান্ড এই যে সুতোটা সেটাকে যদি আমরা খুলতে পারি, সেটাকে যদি কোনোভাবে আমরা দেখতে পারি, তাহলে দেখতে পাবো যে এটা আরও সূক্ষ্ম কিছু সুতোর আরও ফাইন কিছু জিনিস দিয়ে তৈরি। সেইটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলে থাকি আঁশ থেকে সুতোটা, সেটাকে পাকিয়ে সুতো বানানো হয়, আবার সুতো থেকে তৈরি হয়, সুতোটাকে বুনে আমরা ফ্যাব্রিক বা ক্লোথসটা পাই। সো দিস আঁশ যে জিনিসটা সেটা হচ্ছে ফাইবার্স। So all clothes, that is fabrics, are made up of long, strong thread-like material. These are called yarn. In Bengali, this is called shuto. The thin strands of the thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands. These are called fibers. Now, the type of fiber. It can be of two types: natural, that you obtain from nature, and another one is man-made or synthetic fibers. These natural fibers can be divided into two groups: plant and animal, according to their origin. So, the plant fibers are cotton, jute, and flax. We use different types of jute bags for marketing. Cotton is a very common material. We all know about cotton shirt, cotton tops we usually wear, and many of our household clothes are made of cotton. Now, another one division of natural fiber is animal fibers. The example of animal fibers are wool and silk. Wool comes from sheep. Their body, sheep, goat, it can be obtained from rabbit also or camel also, but usually wool came from sheep. The long hairs in their body called fleece, they are cut and processed to make wools. And silk is obtained from silkworm. Silkworm produces cocoon. This is a oval shaped a oval shaped thing, and from cocoons we get silk. Man-made or synthetic fibers. These type of fibers are not obtained from nature. People produce this from different types of materials in the laboratory, or we can get synthetic fibers from different types of industries. These are example of synthetic fibers are nylons, polyester, polythene, and rayon. Nylon is a very common material. We all know about nylon because our raincoats, our umbrellas are made of nylon. Polyester, usually school dress materials are made up of polyester. Polyethylene is another very known material that is made from synthetic fibers, and rayon also. Rayon are very much fashion in nowadays. So these are the examples of man-made or synthetic fibers, and these are the examples of natural fibers.